Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. So what we've been doing this morning is going one ticker at a time, gets its own specific episode. I try to keep these less than 10 minutes so you can get on with what you're doing. All you got to do is set your alerts on these price targets and you'll be good to go. So the next ticker we're looking at is going to be Microsoft. Let's get into it. This thing is on crazy discount too, yo. This thing is over 30% off. Can you believe this $1 trillion ticker is more than 30% off, y'all? Unbelievable. Microsoft actually hasn't been this low since April 2025. Since the tariffs in April 2025. Okay, so we put the all-time high up there. Then let's go to the line chart. Let's go ahead and find these levels. Where did price bounce? I want the big reactions from price, and that's what we will put on the chart. Where did price react last? A big reaction. There we go. Okay, we got a double confirmation right there. There we go. Got this previous all-time high right here. Oops. There we go. Alright, after that we can go to the daily. Just look for some daily zones. Okay, daily level. Where do we have a price reaction? Here we go. After that, that's a pretty big gap, though. That's a pretty big gap. We definitely gotta look left and see if we can find some more levels in between these two, just in case we get some upside. Yeah, right there. There you go. If you can't find any levels, if you have a big gap in between some levels, all you got to do is either look left or go to a smaller time frame or both. So that's what I did. I just looked left and see when the price come down here. Alright. Don't see much in there. Don't see much. It's so close. There we go. Alright, let's check out the 4 hour. See if we get some more levels. So what we had to do, we gotta go to a smaller time frame and get some more levels. But that's what we did. Put the 4 hour in there. Alright. It's very close to a 4 hour level right now, actually. Alright, there we go. That's for next week. Okay. Had to bring out the 4 hour levels on this chart. I didn't have to do that for any of the other $1 trillion tickers. Alright, so current price, Microsoft, $373.46. To the downside support, we do have this 4-hour level, which is very close. 372.70, followed by our weekly level at 367.80. Another 4-hour level at 364.20. Then 359.50 and a weekly level at 356.80. To the upside resistance, we got 377.60, which is a weekly level, followed by a daily level at 383, and then 388.40, 392.70. All right, let's check out the SMAs. This is the 20 SMA. This is the 50 SMA, so it's way beneath it. This is the 1000 SMA here, y'all. Microsoft. So last week it actually broke through the 1000 SMA, came up, rejected it, and now it's trying to break through the 1000 SMA again to the upside. So there's definitely going to be some resistance here at very close to price right now. So this is the 1000 SMA. So definitely keep that in mind, y'all. Let's check out the smart money concepts. We got some resistance way up here. I don't actually see any support in the area as far as the smart money concepts. Let's check out the algo, see if we have any current signals. We didn't have a signal since March. So let's check out the 4 hours, see if we have a more recent signal here. Look like we had a signal here at 1 a.m. and they got faked out. Alright, so that's it, y'all. Set your alerts. That's what we got on Microsoft. That's all the tickers I'm doing for today. Tomorrow we'll be back for Amazon, TSM, Meta, AVGO, and BRK.B. If you want to check out any of the other tickers that we did this morning, we started with SPY, and we did QQQ, NVDA, Apple, Google, Tesla, and this is Microsoft. I try to keep them all under 10 minutes, and I think I did on all of them except for one. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.